What's up, family? You know the vibe, we go crazy. God bless you, stay happy. Join the TNS family. What's up, family? You know the vibe, we go crazy. So come along and join the family.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe.
What's up, TNS family? Welcome back to our channel. It's your fave girl Sarah.
It's your boy Tuxx.
Today we will be vlogging our Sunday in isolation. We try and make it interesting, you know. We do the same thing every day. It's pretty sad. We're actually late to church. We woke up not long ago. Bruh, look at my hair. Why is it going to the left? To the right. We're going to be showing you our skin routine and what we do to get ready. And then today's agenda is we're gonna go get a quick workout, get out of the way. It's actually Mum's birthday today, so this vlog here is especially dedicated to our mama. Mum, we love you so much. Mum was actually in hospital about 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago now. She was in hospital due to her gallbladder. She had to get it removed, and it was actually really scary for my family and I. If your family member hasn't been in hospital during like stage 4 lockdown, it is the most horrific thing. You don't know anything, you can't go into hospital. You rely on the doctors to give you the information or update you of what's going on with Mum. It was just really scary for me and my siblings that we just had no control over what's happening with Mum. When she was in hospital, my siblings and I would legit call every single hour for an update, and the nurses will be so annoyed with us. But at the end of the day, I think they knew our worries. They knew that we were just worried kids. Yeah, we were calling the hospital like every 2 seconds to see how Mum was. Mum actually went into a coma for a day, and that really scared us because we still weren't allowed to see her. And just a little background with me and my siblings, we are so hands-on with my parents. Very hands-on. We would do anything to make sure that she is comfortable, and like just anything when she goes to centers or like long distance walks. We will literally carry a chair for her to make sure she has a station so she can have a break and just sit down. So it's just, I don't know how to explain that. We're just so hands-on with my parents that when my mum went into hospital, it was just so scary for us kids that we had no control. And the nurse that actually took care of my mum, he took care of her for like 3 nights. He was really good. But yeah, fam, so that's what we'll be doing today. We're actually gonna go see Mum. Okay fam, let's get into this vlog. Okay fam, so we just had to like switch bathrooms. Our master bedroom bathroom is a bit too small for us to like, you know, film and squish each other. So I mean, oh my gosh, I'm not even making sense. So we're gonna quickly do our routine. So first we're gonna brush our teeth. Here you go, honey. We are using the Colgate Optic White. And we've been using this for maybe a month or two. Now you're not meant to put that much, but I've got a lot on. Turn on the hot water. No, I was meant to wash my toothbrush first. Ah, hot. I had to spit. I don't know what it is. I literally can't watch other people spit. This guy conflicts. I be getting really chappy lips. Like really chappy. Oh, that kind of hurts. Never seen your wife brush her teeth before? So fam, I actually get asked this a lot. What is my skin routine? A lot. That means a lot. I get asked this a lot. Bruh, why is my... I got a blood eye. This is my special skin routine just for you, okay? You need 2 things. And the 2 things you need is obviously soap, but I don't have soap. And I only do this when I shower. So I don't even do this in my morning routine. It's when I go for a shower. You need your buluka ele. So all my life, this is what my parents have always like done to us. Is that how you say it, honey? My mom will shower us and she would always buluka ele our face. And it's just become our routine. My whole siblings, we all buluka ele our face. We like scrub every single inch with this bad boy. And like my dad goes and buys so many because we go through so much. That's what I do for my skincare routine. But for my morning routine, I literally just wash my face. So just nothing to it. I just wash my face, do my eyebrows. I haven't done them yet. Honey, tell them your skin routine.
Yeah guys,
Switch.
yeah, I don't have a skincare routine. My skin's pretty bad. But yeah, I just wash my face. Yeah. Because I haven't been asked any questions on what my skincare routine is, so yeah, that's it. But for anyone that's wondering, this is coconut husk.
Yes.
Gets dried and all that. But yeah.
So fam, that's what we do. We will shower later because we're working out. We won't shower in the morning. But we literally shower every single day, morning and night. Tuxx, do you shower before you go to work?
No.
I'm just joking. Obviously, it's too cold anyways, eh? Yeah fam, that's what we do for our morning routine. We hope you guys enjoyed it. We're gonna head down to our workout, so let's go. Okay fam, so We had our coach here from Woolston stop by. Don't worry, we're distancing, social distancing. So he's gonna stand behind the yellow tub and we're gonna work out for him. Short phrase for pulling through. Okay fam, we've just finished showering up. I just have to cream my face. This guy needs to cream his face. You can see how dry and ashy you are, boy. But we are making our morning shakes that we usually do every single morning. So Tuxx.
Yep, so my shake consists of just the medium-sized banana, half cup of oats, rolled oats to be exact, and roughly a teaspoon of peanut butter and some protein, which is this one.
And I usually don't take protein, but when this guy makes that protein, I literally have a sip of his because it's so delicious. So my one is, I just jumped on this. Shout out to my sister Angela Maliko from Brisbane. If you need this product, she will hook you up. She's in the description below. I just jumped on ARBONNE. So if you haven't heard of ARBONNE, please check out Angela Maliko's page in our description box. I've just got the greens balance with fruit and vegetable concentrates. And it's an ARBONNE essential. I'm not taking their ARBONNE products. The only thing that I'm taking, I'm trying, and is their greens and their fist sticks that I still haven't tried yet. So I've been on this for 3 days now. And to be honest, I actually really enjoy it. I didn't think that I would actually enjoy this because, I don't know, I just thought it would be yuck. So you just put 1 scoop in a glass. And then you get your bottle of water. And then your spoon, stir, stir, stir. Stir until it's all mixed in. Yeah, but I just block my nose and I drink it, and it's fine. I don't even mind the taste or the aftertaste. Just gonna finish the water. And we're done. That's what we take in the mornings. Now let's head off to Mum's. You don't want pictures? I want to take your photo. No. Why? Okay, I'm gonna stop. Say bye.
Bye. Now we're going to close the vlog, but I would like to say some few words.
Yep.
And I say thank you so much for all the birthday wishes, and thank you so much for the presents for my kids, from my kids and from my brothers and my in-laws and the kids. Thank you so much. Love you so much. Thank you.
It's a lot of loving, meal. Okay, family, we're gonna close off the vlog here. Tuxx and I, with our Princess Adea, are going to head on home, and we just hope that you guys enjoyed this vlog. Please go down below in the comment section and write hashtag happy birthday Amil. Beautiful Amil. We love you so much, Mom. Happy birthday. We can't believe you're 54 years old.
Thank you so much.
You still look so young.
So young.
So young.
Thank you so much.
Like we always say, Mil, like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Love you, Mum.
Thank you.
Adea.
Okay, thank you. Papi, wait.
Jeez.
Me vaya a dry.